Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, you remember it's been very hard to find Gininda's photos, right? Yeah, you'd look for them there. Hey, it's been very hard to find this guy. Ngobani ubhizi ufakana nale mask yakhe ngathi uRobocop. And immediately after he came back from local, they were like, no, bruh, you can't be putting that mask. It's actually not even allowed to put that mask. There was like a report that week after they went to local, after he was wearing the report. The fact that you were busy mooring umntana abantu lapha, sharpering him there at local. After Umshololo said he was actually beating him up. Not in full view of the people that are going around that small complex. It's not even a mall there. You know? And now he's refusing because he was actually beating up who accused number one. We were busy at the time looking for his pictures. Kanti uhamba no O'Sullivan bahamba baye uPaul O'Sullivan bahamba baye Prague, they taking pictures. Size sasithola ke isithombe sakhe sinye in the book, Stop Me If You Can, eka Paul O'Sullivan. Naye omgulukudu just as much. Who actually helped yena lo baba lo, uBrigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda, and had an influence on uShedrack, General Shedrack Josephus B. I can't say general anymore because I can see this guy being arrested and stripped off his role of being a general. So nje iyangibhora into kaJosephus B. Cabanga O'Sullivan is the one that found Gininda a job, guys. You can't be serious at SAPS to be a brigadier. I guess mhlambe angimazi yini at the time, or sergeant, no constable. Angithi there's ranks there. Ukuthi athole this brigadier position. And you can see ukuthi even the way he's using it is not right because he didn't get it proper. It was given to him. Kube umngani kaPaul O'Sullivan ongamazi ungena mhlambe way in our lives because this person is not even in the system SAPS, but it's got so much influence. He ran away again now to UK. Ngithi mina he's not gonna come back. He must just go ayogugela kubo Ireland because honestly he's done a lot of havoc. Talking. Ubekhuluma lo muntu. Mase kufanele uthi ad hoc. He can't talk anymore. He's like, now I'm scared. You kuba scared. No, I'll see. Maybe I'll come back end of Feb. Now you're scared. After all those things that you've said about people, including General Nkwanas Kulumagabi, about our general, that's even trying to help us solve anything, you know, when you come and talk trash about him. Nazogi Tumbezake Upudwinla as I promised yesterday after our live. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting my channel in Tanda Over. Another thing, guys, I don't know if you think this is even gonna work for us because these people has come to court at least 2-3 times now. Like called on different occasions. Obviously, you'll sit in court maybe for a week or two. Wabiza go trial with being a trial where Kambamanga ke slighting us there. Instead of they were intruders kill when they were no intruders, you know. There's been a rumor that he's coming back to court again. Guys, he can't come back to court again, and that's what. Tell us more lies. You're tired now of lies, guys. You're tired. This case must just go to ad hoc. We are actually exhausted now.